Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: chrome wheels, heated mirrors, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist, daytime running lights, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, fog lamps, FWD. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.